here. I recently customized this bag using Cricut Infusible Ink. The great thing about the Infusible Ink is that it gives a professionally printed finish to your projects, and it is permanent. It will not crack, peel or fade if washed. The reversible sequins are super fun, and they have that surprise element when you print on one side. If you'd like to order one of these bags or have any questions at all, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.